Hey everyone, in this video, I'm excited to show you a non-repainting version of the Nadaraya-Watson indicator that's designed to help you make consistent profits in any market. This indicator is super simple to read, but not many people know how to fully utilize it. That's why I'm here to share my personal scalping strategy with you today, one that can instantly make you a profitable trader. I'll be backtesting this strategy 100 times on the GBP/USD 1 minute time frame so you can see all the metrics behind it. Make sure to watch the video all the way through as I'll explain this strategy in detail and provide plenty of important trade examples. First, head over to tradingview.com and open a chart of any market with high liquidity. Next, select a time frame. This strategy works well on all time frames, including 5-minute, 15-minute, or even a daily chart. Once you've chosen your time frame, click on the Indicators tab and search for the Nadaraya-Watson Envelope Non-Repainting Indicator by J.D. Horty. This tool outlines the price extremes within a selected window size. When the price action exceeds the envelope, it's a signal that the market is either overbought or oversold. The goal is to estimate the underlying trend using kernel smoothing, calculate the mean, absolute deviations, and add or subtract these from the trend. We can expect the price to reverse when crossing one of the envelope extremities. The main difference between this indicator and the Nadaraya-Watson by LuxAlgo is that this one doesn't print triangles when the price action enters the cloud. There are multiple ways to use this tool. For example, many traders enter a long position when the price action enters the green envelope and then crosses and closes above it, and the opposite for short trades. However, I find this method quite risky. Instead, I use a different approach that significantly reduces the risk of being stopped out. We'll also be using another indicator, the higher high lower low strategy, adjust its settings by unchecking everything except for higher high and lower low. For a long trade, the conditions are the Nadaraya-Watson baseline must be green. The price action must be above the green line. The price action must make a pullback into the baseline without crossing and closing below the green line. After the pullback, wait for the price action to cross and close inside the red cloud. The current price must be higher than the recent higher high when the candlestick enters the cloud. Set your stop loss at either the baseline or the recent swing low and your take profit target at 1.5 times the risk. Here's an example. The baseline is green. The price action pulls back into the baseline without closing below it, enters the red cloud, and the current price is higher than the recent higher high. This method provides really accurate trade entries. For a short trade, the baseline must be red. The price action must be below the baseline. The market must form a pullback, touching but not crossing and closing above the line. After the pullback, wait for the price action to cross and close inside a green band. The candlestick must break below the recent lower low when entering the green zone. Set your stop loss at the baseline or the recent swing high, and the take profit target remains the same as for long positions. This strategy effectively filters out range-bound markets, providing good entries when the market starts trending. Now let's backtest it and see the results afterwards. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. The test is finished, and the strategy has a win ratio of 74% on the 1-minute time frame. We increased the account size by 427.03%, averaging around 20% profit per day excluding fees. The profit factor is 4.27, with 9 consecutive wins and 4 consecutive losses. The maximum drawdown is 7.76%. These results look really promising, so definitely give this strategy a try. If you have any suggestions for improvements, please share them in the comments. And if you want to maximize your profits, check out the money management secrets I share in this video right here.